Does this phone actually work? Here, let's try it. Here, let me see how it works. No? Only the light is blinking. I heard a vibration sound also. But the screen is totally dead. And I'm sorry I cannot use it like this. See, I keep this phone around here. In the perfect angle I see. I don't care about this. You see my phone? It's totally dead. But it's charging, partially alive. And the fingerprint sensor is broken. And it's also connected to a PC if needed. My phone doesn't work anymore because I like my phone. And seriously, I'd like to use my new phone instead. But it's not like that. I'm using this kind of phone. My phone is still vibrating. There's some notifications coming on my old phone. And this is my new phone, which is 9A Sport. My old phone is Redmi Note 5A, also known as Y1. I think Redmi Y1 is best for me. And it also has different features for this. For some of them we need to turn this screen on, and I cannot unlock this phone because okay Google, okay Google, okay Google, Google works, okay Google, okay Google, only does not say something but responds. Okay Google, so sorry to me. Google doesn't work, but my phone is very lightest. If I put cover on it, it will be a bit heavy, and seriously that it doesn't work. Okay Google, I'm say sorry. Okay Google, unlock my phone. Okay Google, do something else. See that phone is totally dead. I cannot unlock the phone also because I broke a touch for that. And if I'm refreshing my system, still it's vibrating my phone. It's fine, but I cannot use my Android phone, and I cannot open my phone system. That means it needs an system device to unlock it. But now I don't have touch onwards because I have completely wasted my touch screen replacement digitizer, or I say display. Everything is showing on Max B, not in Amazon, because they're out of stock on Amazon, and I cannot find everything on Amazon. Plus I don't have account for me, but I've created account. It needs money, and I don't have UPI ID for me. I don't have credit card. I don't have, what do we say, I don't have much kind of, what do we say, I don't have money. I don't have cash. I have 0 rupees. I want more money to get my phone to be alive again. You see, my beard is grown up, but seriously, I'm telling you, this phone is totally dead. I always want to say something to my Google, but suppose, okay Google, still alive. Okay Google, okay Google, okay Google, okay Google, okay Google, okay Google, okay Google. Only it responds, but it doesn't work because I have completely wasted this phone. On 8th of November 2021, I always remember the date if I broke this phone. If you have one right now on my display, you can buy it and send it to me. If you don't have one, leave a comment section, please. But I'm sorry, I don't have a comment section. Instead, try using my phone number. My phone will give me a ringtone and talk to me. Hello, is this the YouTuber calling? Yeah, I have my Redmi Y1, it doesn't work. I need a touch screen for that. Do you have a one? Okay, I'll send it to you. Like this. Like this I have to say. And if I someone answered the phone, hello, I don't have a phone, but it's like this. My display is broken. Do you have one? What? No? Okay then. It's like this. If someone does not buy this item, it's not good. If someone buys it item, this will be my reward and give to my grandmother. And this was my grandmother's phone. Instead I was using. That's it. I just wanted to fix this touch screen and that's it. So only the thing is I have to charge it up and use it again. But I have to turn off the screen for this, or else the volume is totally up. But okay, I've just locked it. I think okay Google. Okay, it's off. I turned it on. Okay Google. Okay Google. Okay Google. Maybe some device issues. And bit phone, it's bit heating due to some heater on my phone. So later I want to find my new phone, which is Redmi Y1 display. This phone is totally a waste. If you found one, I want to use my phone and send it to my nanny. If I don't have that phone display, I'm not gonna use it anymore, and I'm not gonna send it to my nanny also. Anyway, this phone, it still works. If I charge it, it's fine. It's still totally dead because the battery is not plugged in properly. That's why I have to use it properly, and I have to remove the battery. I mean remove the case and remove the battery total together. Okay, so I have three screws to open it up. Actually, it won't take time to open. Anyway, now I have a screwdriver to open. I don't have to remove entire, but just the thing I have to remove the battery. But I think it's not opening because it's bit broader. I think we need a, what do we say, we need thinner ones. So right now I don't have thinner ones, or else hold on, maybe I don't have it right now because it's gone forever. I have to unplug it forcefully because this phone is totally dead. Okay, now doesn't work anymore. I have to remove it, and I don't have a power button, volume button, because I also removed that. And I don't have a SIM SD card, SIM SD card slot I don't have, but only charging port is working, and some parts are broken, which are totally cracked, and I just made a bigger hole so that I can put safety pin and open this. I always do this many times, otherwise I broke this and I need to open with my fingers. So I think Redmi Y1 is totally gone. It's now I can only see a frame for that, but the display is broken. Now for some of them I use this phone, but I kept as Windows 11 picture, which originally Windows 11 looks like this, but it's been oriented by this picture. Well, today is 1st April and the time is 8:38, So see you guys. Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Goodbye guys.